Good morning to all of you. This is Meenakshi. Today's thought is make hay while the sun shines, and the meaning is make hay while the sun shines is a proverb that encourages to make hay while there is sunshine. Hay is grass cut, dried and used for animals. This unique expression reflects that when situation favor us, we have to make use of it. The meaning of this proverb is that if there is a task that needs to be done, then it must be done while we still have a chance to do it. Sometimes we become careless and postpone the task for later, and the task delayed many times. If we talk about us, we become careless and postpone studying during the session. And when the exam's date come close, we become worried and tense because we do not have preparation. And the students who study regularly do not tense when exam dates are close. They get enough time to revise and they prepared well for the exam. So the right thing must be done at the right time to get desired result. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.